Most women over 60 think their shoes don't matter that much. They spend hours thinking about their hair, their makeup, their jewelry, and then they slip on the same bulky white sneakers they've worn for the last 5 years without a second thought. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Those sneakers might be adding 10 years to how old you look, and you probably have no idea it's happening. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly what's going wrong, including one mistake that almost every woman over 60 makes without realizing it. And by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to fix it starting today without spending a fortune. Welcome back to Timeless Style After 60. Whether you've been here since the very beginning, or you just found us today, I'm so glad you're here. This channel is all about helping you look polished, elegant, and effortlessly put together, without chasing trends that were never really meant for us in the first place. If that sounds like your kind of thing, go ahead and hit subscribe now so you don't miss what's coming next. Today we're talking about something a lot of style experts completely overlook: sneakers and the sneaky ways they can either take years off your look or add them right on, sometimes without you noticing until someone points it out. Let's get into it. Trick number 1. Stop wearing oversized chunky sneakers. Let's start with the biggest offender. And I say this with so much love because I've owned a pair myself. The chunky dad sneaker trend. A few years ago these thick-soled, exaggerated sneakers were everywhere. Fashion magazines told us they were cool, celebrities wore them on the street, and a lot of us bought in because we wanted to feel current and a little bit fun. The problem is, on a lot of women over 60, this particular shoe does something unexpected. Instead of looking trendy, it can make your legs look shorter, your ankles look thicker, and your whole silhouette look heavier than it actually is. It draws the eye downward in a way that fights against everything else you're wearing. Here's why so many women fall into this trap without noticing. Chunky sneakers are marketed as comfortable, and comfort matters more to us now than it used to. We're not willing to sacrifice how our feet feel just to look a certain way, and honestly that's completely fair. But there's a real difference between comfortable and shapeless, and a lot of these shoes cross that line without giving you much in return for the trade-off. The fix is simpler than you'd think. Look for sneakers with a slimmer profile and a lower sole. You still get plenty of cushioning and support, but the shoe sits closer to your foot instead of looking like a small platform underneath you. Brands like Skechers, New Balance, and even some Adidas lines now make sleeker walking sneakers specifically designed with comfort in mind without that bulky, stacked look. A quick styling tip: pair a slimmer white or neutral sneaker with cropped pants or a mid-length skirt. This lets a little ankle show, which instantly makes your legs look longer, and your whole outfit look lighter. One of my viewers, a lovely woman named Carol from Ohio, told me she switched from her chunky sneakers to a slim leather sneaker in a soft taupe color, and her own daughter told her she looked 10 years younger just from that one change. She said she almost didn't believe it until she looked at old photos side by side. And if budget is a concern, you don't need designer prices here at all. Target, Walmart, and even Amazon have some wonderful slim profile sneaker options under $30 that look far more expensive than they actually are. Confidence isn't about the price tag on your feet. It's about choosing something that flatters your whole body, not just something that felt safe or familiar at the store. Trick number 2. Ditch the all-white everything look. Now here's something that surprises almost every woman I talk to. All-white sneakers, especially the bright, stark white ones fresh out of the box, can actually wash you out and make you look older, particularly if you have fair or medium skin tone, or if your hair has gone silver or gray over the years. Why does this happen so often? Because white sneakers feel like the safe choice. They match everything, they look clean and classic, and honestly that's not wrong advice, it's just incomplete advice. The issue isn't white itself. It's stark, cold, bright white with no warmth to it, worn constantly with nothing around it to soften the contrast against your face. The fix here comes down to undertone. Instead of that clinical bright white, look for sneakers in an off-white, bone, or cream shade. These colors carry a warmth to them that's much more forgiving against silver hair and mature skin. They still give you that clean, classic look you're going for, but without the harsh contrast that can quietly age your whole face. Here's a styling tip that changes everything. If you already own bright white sneakers and don't want to replace them yet, try pairing them with warmer clothing tones like camel, rust, olive, or soft pink. This creates balance and pulls some of that coldness away from your face. Another simple trick is adding a colorful shoelace, or tying a small scarf in a warm tone around your handbag, to bring warmth into the whole outfit. I heard from a viewer named Diane in Texas who swapped her bright white sneakers for a pair in warm ivory, and she said people actually started commenting that her whole face looked brighter and softer. That's not a coincidence at all. Color really does that much work, even when we don't consciously notice why an outfit feels right. If you're shopping on a budget, look at Sam Edelman, Cole Haan outlet stores, or even Kohl's, which frequently has cream and bone-colored sneakers on sale for under $40. This is such an easy switch to make, and it makes a bigger difference than most people expect from something so small. But the biggest mistake is still coming, so stay with me because trick number 3 might be the one you're doing right now without even realizing it. Trick number 3. Say goodbye to worn-out, dingy sneakers. This one is a little uncomfortable to talk about, but it needs to be said with love. A lot of us hold on to our favorite sneakers for years. We break them and they become like an old friend, and honestly that loyalty is sweet. But worn-out sneakers with yellowing soles, scuffed toes, or flattened insoles do something very specific to how people perceive you. They can unconsciously signal that you're not paying attention to yourself, even if everything else about your outfit is polished and completely intentional. Why do so many women keep wearing sneakers well past their prime? Honestly, it's often about attachment and practicality more than anything else. These shoes feel broken in and comfortable, and replacing them feels unnecessary when they still technically function fine. But here's the thing. Function and appearance are two separate issues, and both of them genuinely matter to how put together you look. The fix doesn't have to mean throwing away every pair you own. First, try cleaning them properly. A simple mixture of baking soda and warm water on the soles, along with a magic eraser on the sides, can restore a surprising amount of brightness to sneakers that looked completely hopeless. If cleaning doesn't fully do the trick, it might genuinely be time for a refresh, and that's okay too. A great styling tip is to rotate 2 or 3 pairs of sneakers instead of relying on just one pair for everything. This not only extends the life of each shoe, it also gives your outfits more variety without requiring a huge investment up front. Think of one neutral pair for everyday errands, one slightly dressier pair for outings, and maybe one fun-colored pair for a little personality. One of my subscribers, Linda from Arizona, told me she was genuinely shocked at how different she felt just from cleaning her old sneakers properly and buying one fresh pair to rotate in alongside them. She said it wasn't even about buying something new and expensive, it was about not looking neglected. That word stuck with me because it's exactly right. Confidence comes through in the smallest details, and clean, well-kept shoes quietly tell the world you take care of yourself. If you're ready to invest in a fresh pair, look for sales at DSW, Famous Footwear, or outlet malls, where quality sneakers often drop to half price during seasonal clearance events throughout the year. If you've learned something new so far, let me know in the comments which one of these tricks surprised you the most. I always love reading what resonates with you and hearing your own stories. And if you're enjoying these timeless style tips, please take just a second to like this video. It genuinely helps this channel reach more women, just like you, who are looking for real, practical advice instead of impossible trends that don't fit real life. Now let's get into the next surprise, and this one might be the biggest mindset shift of the whole video. Trick number 4. Match your sneakers to your lifestyle, not just your outfit. This next one isn't really about the shoe itself, it's about how we choose our sneakers in the first place. So many women pick sneakers purely based on how they look in the store mirror, without thinking about how that shoe will actually function in their day-to-day life. This mismatch is exactly what creates that unintentional grandma look, because a shoe that doesn't suit your lifestyle often ends up looking clunky, overly cushioned, or overly practical in a way that reads as older rather than elegant. Why does this happen so much? Because shoe shopping can feel overwhelming, and a lot of women grab whatever feels safest in the moment rather than what's actually right for them personally. If you're someone who walks several miles a day, you probably do need more cushioning and support, and that's completely okay, that's your reality. But if your daily life involves mostly errands, lunches, and short walks around town, you likely don't need the heaviest orthopedic-style shoe on the shelf, and choosing something sleeker will serve you far better, both in comfort and in appearance. The fix is to be honest with yourself about your actual daily activity before you shop. If you need serious support, look at brands like Vionic or Ortho Feet, which have become much more stylish in recent years without sacrificing comfort at all. If you don't need heavy support, explore slimmer options from Naturalizer, Easy Spirit, or even classic Keds, which look effortlessly put together for everyday life. A styling tip here is to think of your sneakers the way you already think of your handbag. You probably wouldn't carry a giant travel backpack to a nice lunch out. So don't wear your heaviest walking shoe to occasions where a sleeker option would serve you just as well and look far more intentional. Having two go-to sneaker styles, one for activity and one for everyday polish, solves this instantly and takes very little extra effort. A viewer named Susan messaged me saying she'd been wearing her serious walking shoes to everything, including dinners out, simply out of habit and convenience. Once she got a slimmer pair just for those occasions, she said she felt instantly more put together. And nothing about her actual comfort level changed for the worse. You'll definitely want to see the final trick because it's the one that ties everything else together. And it's often the one small detail standing between looking dated and looking effortlessly current. Trick number 5. Stop ignoring sock choice. This last one catches almost everyone off guard because we rarely think about socks as part of our overall style, but they honestly matter more than you'd expect. Thick, bunched-up white athletic socks peeking out awkwardly from sneakers can instantly make an outfit look frumpy, even if the shoes themselves are perfectly stylish and everything else about the look is right. Why do we overlook this so often? Because socks feel purely functional, almost invisible. We think of them as something hidden, something nobody really notices or pays attention to. But peeking socks, especially thick ones with visible logos or bulky seams, draw the eye in a way that quietly disrupts the clean lines of your outfit without you realizing why something feels slightly off. The fix is wonderfully simple. Choose no-show socks or low-cut socks that stay tucked inside your sneaker. If you're wearing ankle pants or crop styles, a thin, barely visible sock, or even going sockless with the right sneaker, creates a much more streamlined look overall. If you need cushioning for comfort, plenty of brands now make no-show socks with extra padding built right in, so you don't have to sacrifice support just for the sake of style. A quick tip: keep a few pairs of no-show socks in neutral tones like beige, black, and white in your everyday rotation. It's such a small investment, often under $15 for a multi-pack, but the visual difference it makes is genuinely significant. One of my viewers, Patricia, said switching her socks alone made her sneakers look brand new, even though she didn't buy a single new pair of shoes that season. So there you have it, 5 simple tricks that can genuinely change how youthful and put together you look, all starting from the ground up. Isn't it interesting how something as small as sneaker style, color, condition, fit for your lifestyle, and even your sock choice can shift the way the whole world sees you at a glance? Here's what I want you to remember before you go. Looking younger was never really about hiding your age or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about wearing things that reflect who you are today, with confidence and intention behind every choice. Style at 60 and beyond isn't about chasing youth for its own sake. It's about choosing pieces that make you feel like the most vibrant, most authentic version of yourself, whatever your age happens to be. If this video helped you see your shoe collection in a new light, I'd love for you to subscribe so you never miss the next video, because we cover topics just like this every single week, always practical, always affordable. And if you enjoyed learning about sneakers today, you're going to love our video on the 5 clothing colors that instantly age you without you realizing it, so go ahead and check that out next. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Take care of yourself, wear what makes you feel confident, and I'll see you in the next video.